Yeah, man, this is Rasta dude, the natural food chef in Montego Bay, 24 Queen Street, Montego Bay, you know? Yeah, right here, where you get all the natural food and juice. And, say it's a fresh starting call, it's about a 2 year. Yeah, it's just a 2 year that it's fresh, you know? Yeah, man. Well, so from me can hang with knife and pot, and I start to cook from tender age, I deal with we used to play for, the kids thing where it go on, the dolly house thing where we had to find them time there, We have cut up a little things and try with things until when mama gone, we start to eat on the stove and clean up back stove and them things there before she come forward and, it's just a love for the food and the cooking, I deal with so the inborn thing I would have say, naturally. I would have say I born Rasta, But even though I not grow in a Rasta family, I born Rasta, just manifestation, they take a little time before it come out, I deal with it. Yeah, but it's an inborn thing straight, I don't know imitation, nothing, I just is a natural inborn thing. See Well, as you hear me don't tell us, we are cook for our youth, when mama gonna work or gone in the store, we work and cook a pot until them time there, so till when we as youth get together, we always a cook we one dung, we one dung pot, with dumpling and with banana with some breadfruit, some coconut milk, well seasoned, Call them things the one dung from we are youth, we are do them things there. So gradually coming up, I and I cook for people for a long, long while. Everyone who taste I and I nothing always I say, boy, do it for till it's a day when I and I sit in I and I home and just get a natural call say, say I eat it for God because if you not do it, nothing else not there for you do, what I do with? Yeah man, so it's just a natural thing, man. Say they go say Rasta thing have been done tell us say the manifestation now over 30 years now, Yeah, man, the manifestation are over 30 years now, man. Can't tell you the exact date and everything, but you don't know, say, I just knowledge, reading, and all them things they come together, we are deal with. Then we know, say, well, then, when a Rasta, it must be love, So, I love we are deal with from them long time, from even before I and I, not it. So, you don't know, say, I say, go, man. Why? Hey, so, I'm a customer over there, sir. Just ask her what she think about I and I food. Healthy. Best friend is. I'm not cooking the food that you have to say. He said, I'm going to buy a plate and come. That's he said, I'll bash you. No money, I'm more time bash. So, by time to plate and come before. Good man.